This is the Universal Lav Weight. One tool, no adapters needed. Machined from solid stainless steel, the Universal Lav Weight is designed to work with the most commonly Lavalier connectors on the market. The simple shape is engineered to hold connectors securely and guide cables smoothly through clothing. Making someone is a very complex operation that happens at the very last moment, the most critical one. Sometimes your cable gets stuck inside the clothes, the trouser, the dress, and the last thing you want is to be invasive and make them uncomfortable while fitting the microphone. You need to be as clean, fast, and reliable as possible to inspire them confidence before they step on stage. Dresses, shirts, tops, jeans, trousers. One tool, countless applications. And when the seam moves, it moves with you. Always ready, always within reach. Fast, precise. Discover the Universal Lav Weight by KitBravo.